Welcome back, boys. Today I want to tackle something, well, the exhaust that we did last time. We have a brand new exhaust hangers. We got a couple of trinkets. Got some exhaust bolts so we can at least get something done. The exhaust hanger. I bought a new one, but we're not going to be able to use it. Let me show you why. Okay, where did I put it? Did I throw it away? But in the last video, the exhaust flange broke, right? So I ordered a new one. But as I was looking at it, I was like, oh man, I'm gonna have to cut the exhaust, and then after you cut the exhaust, you slide that on, you use like a coupler, tighten it, and then you should be able to use it that way. But I did some research and I found an open flange. That's what we're gonna be using. Let me get it, let me show you guys. I'm tripping all over rotors. Put that back and show you guys what I'm talking about really quick. Okay. And here it is. You unscrew the two sides, put this on. I did the measurement of the exhaust and it's a 2.5 inch circumference. We put this on and this will kind of, snuggle up close to keep the exhaust nice and sealed. So let's get the exhaust back down, put on the new exhaust hanger, flange and all, and at least today we can get something done. What am I talking about? We've been getting stuff done. Just not at the pace that I wanted. I wasn't supposed to be going. All right, let's go. All right, let me explain what we just did because I accidentally deleted some footage here. Okay, so I had these sitting up high. Kind of wasn't thinking when I did it. But then I was like, let me put them down low so the exhaust sits up flush. We also got ourselves a new exhaust hanger because the old one was old, dinged up, dented. So we got that new one. It's looking good. Let's get this exhaust back in. And we might add 5 more horsepower by adding something else to the back of it. All right, man, that was one hell of a struggle. But we got it up. This is how I've been getting it up. I just use my jack. Now we have to get it on the hangers. Use our goodies here. And then should be good to go. Much better. I like that. I'm loving it. And that looks so clean, so crispy. But let me show you guys what I was talking about when I bought that open flange, which I actually found from another dude on YouTube, because I was like, hold on, let me do some research and see if I have to cut the pipe in order to get that one piece on. And you would have to cut the pipe. You'd have to cut it in order to fit that one piece on, the broken flange on, the one that's right here. You'd have to cut this, slide it on, and then use it, but I guess you gotta cut it out of place where you can use something to couple it. so the exhaust doesn't leak. But thank goodness they make an open one. So then we can put the open one on, mount this up to it, good to go, baby. So let me finish this really quick. All right, let's check this out. Everything looks like it's working out pretty good. Look at that. This open flange, man, thank you again. You have this part connected. The new bolts in here. That's looking good. All four, like they only had like 1 or 2 in here. And this side was like completely empty. But we got all 4 bolts for that one. All we gotta do is tighten this. And that's good. This side isn't sliding out like how it was before. The little part that was in here was just slipping right out, so it wasn't sturdy. But now, that is not going anywhere. And it's all like nice and flush. It sticks out a little bit too. Oh man. Thank you. That hurt. All right, guys, like I said, I deleted some of the footage by accident. I was gonna recharge the battery in my lamp, but oh man, it was recording, and with this Osmo Pocket, it was recording and you hold down the power button thinking you're gonna turn it off. Well, you don't, you just delete whatever videos that you have on it. So that's what happened. Come back in here, describe to you guys what I was doing, what's going on, and what's going on with the water pump. We have a new water pump, but the problem is, rather than make a whole video trying to show you me trying to get underneath the water pump to get that last bolt out, which I had other things to do, but my mic. Okay, I don't think you guys heard that. I left the mic on this thing. So rather than creating a whole video about the water pump, getting the last bolt off of the water pump, I figured I'd tackle that issue next time. I wanted to get the exhaust squared away because at least that'll make me feel good. All right? So I'm gonna continue to struggle with the water pump, and I'll see you guys in the next video.